Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make eggplant fritters. These are one of the tastiest and easy to make as well. This does not take that much of time. You're going to just take an eggplant and add some spices and make them. And you can eat it at tea time as a snack. And it does not take that much of time to make. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I have taken an eggplant and I'm gonna take the green part of it, cut it off with the help of a knife, and now it's time to cut the eggplant. Well, first I'm gonna cut it from the half and then I'm gonna place another half. I have cut it into 4 pieces. After cutting it into 4 pieces, we're going to grate it. Well, you can just grate it as it is without cutting it, but cutting into 4 pieces it makes it easier to grate. You can just follow the same process like I'm doing it. You can do that as well. I'm using a thick one grater and I'm going to grate it. So I've grated all the pieces and I've placed it into a separate bowl. You can clearly see that. And now I'm gonna take some coriander and I'm gonna chop it. Well, I've taken the coriander, taken out the leaves of it, and I'm going to chop out the leaves. Well, I've washed it quite well before chopping it, and then I've taken the knife and chopped it quite well. You can just follow it up, like just follow the same process. And now we're going to place it into this bowl where we have eggplant. And now we're going to mix it. But before mixing it, we're going to add some ingredients. We're going to add white pepper powder. I have added 1 teaspoon white pepper powder. I've added 1.5 teaspoon salt. You can add salt according to your taste. And I'm going to add 1 egg. Some people like to add less salt and some people like to add more salt. It's up to you. With that, I've added 1.5 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon yeast, and now I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. You can also add the flour, but all-purpose flour is much preferable. I'm going to mix it with the help of a spoon. Well, you can also use your hand by wearing glove because doing it with your hand makes it much easier. We're gonna mix it quite well so that all the ingredients are mixed well. Then we're going to move towards the next part. That's gonna be frying these fritters. Well, I've taken a pan, I've turned on the stove, and I've added some oil into it. I've turned the flame low. With the help of a spoon, I'm gonna drop the fritters into the oil. Now you can see the consistency of this batter is a little thick and you have to maintain the same consistency, then your fritters will turn out to be a little thick and also much tastier. So we're going to place these fritters one by one into the oil and let them get fried. After some time, you will see the fritter will change its color. This is the time when we're going to flip it up. Now you can see we're going to flip it with the help of a spoon. While working with oil, you have to be very careful. And you'll see once you're going to flip them, their color will be turned into golden brown. And we're going to let the other side turn golden brown. And then we're going to say that our fritters are done once it changes its color. Now you can see these are getting fried and let them turn golden brown. We have to wait until the fritter changes color into golden brown from each side, and after some time you need to flip it. So once both sides are turned out to be golden brown, then we're gonna take them out into a tissue paper on a plate so that the tissue paper soaks all the oil from these fritters and they turn out to be less oily. I'm gonna take them one by one out of the pan with the help of a spoon. You can also use a strainer to make them less oily. If you like the less golden brown color, you can just take them out once they turn out to be golden. You do not have to turn the color into brown. I like it more brown, so I am turning them into brown. Repeat the process and fry all the fritters again. And then we're going to move towards the next part. Well, while all the fritters are getting fried, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button? Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. And you'll get to know more new recipes and try them and let me know whether you like them or not. So my fritters are getting fried. I'm gonna wait until these get fried and we're gonna take the rest, those have turned brown, out of the pan, and then we're gonna let the other get fried. Now you can see the rest have changed this color. We're going to flip it again and then we're going to take them out of the pan once they're going to change this color with the help of a spoon. I'm going to present it into a presentable plate. With it, I'm going to serve it in front of guests with some sauce or a ketchup, or if you like green chutney or raita or yogurt, whatever you like, you can present it with that. I like to eat it with ketchup, so I am eating with ketchup. So try this recipe at home, and if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and do subscribe to my channel so you're updated by my latest videos. And if you really have any query related to any video or any question related to any video, just comment down below and I'll be very happy to answer you. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section whether you like this or not. And I will be coming with the new videos. So till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.